Kag isa naman ka pinasahi nga collection story ang among gadulong sa inyo. Inimbahin sa doll collection nga nahamtang sa syudad sa Silay. Kagyan report. A former Silay City principal had a passion of collecting dolls that has drawn the attention of many people to be invited in her lovely home and personally see her doll collection. It was a privilege to visit and see for myself the unique collection of Rose Trinidad Mullen.
So I brought all my dolls there because they're wearing the different costumes of the country they represent. And now, because not only Mattel is making dolls of the world, there's a Madame Alexander. That's a branded, maker of doll.
Okay, you have that too.
Dolls of the world also. But they are smaller ones compared to Mattel, the Barbie. Because Barbie... 7-inch, yeah. That's the Madame Alexander, but Barbie is 10 or something, yes. The dolls that are made of wood, that is Robert Drake's doll. They are made of wood.
Okay, what about that?
This is Madame Alexander doll, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're just 7-inch doll.
It's very popular.
Yeah. Very expensive.
Oh.
Yeah. Especially if it is you will do it from the antique shop.
Yeah.
$100.
Rose also is an author of RR's Book of Poems, which is inspired by a 16-inch stuffed monkey. The monkey was named RR, using the couple's initials Randy and Rose. Randy Mullen bought her the monkey at Wacky Bear Factory in the Ocean City Boardwalk. And along with it came an adoption certificate.
The face is made of wood by Drakes.
What do you call that?
By Robert Drakes. Wooden face. They're collectibles.
It's also expensive.
Yeah. And this is the Muffy Bear.
Vander Bear collection.
A Vander Bear.